Hello students. Now the experiment on today to find the focal length of convex lens. Our objective is, our aim is to find the focal length of convex lens. Okay students, by plotting a graph between a graph between
कॉन्वेक्स नहीं दिखाई कॉन्वेक्स नहीं दिखाई
ठीक है बाई प्लॉटिंग a graph between 1 by u and 1 by v, u and v, and 1 by u and 1 by v. Graph between u and v and 1 by u and 1 by v. So you know that u is the object distance and v is image distance. So now we will find out the value of the u and value of the v. Okay, this is our objective on today. So first we study all the basic concept. It's basic concept of the convex lens, you know. तो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस की मैं बात करूँ तो यहाँ पर जैसे ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है और इसकी थोड़ा सी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमेज की बात करते हैं. क्लियर है? हाँ क्लियर. हाँ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस की बात करते हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अ ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, यू नो. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस and this is F and this is 2F, just above. And optical center divided by the O, and it's also F because it's transparent material, and this is F dash and 2F dash. So now we are seeing here. First we study about its formation of image through convex lens. So suppose that when an object at the focus, the image formed at infinite in second side, and now you are also seeing that when ray of light goes through optical center, it passes in straight line, and when ray of light goes parallel to the principal axis, it passes after reflection, it passes through. This is the nature of the ray of light passing through the convex lens. And now we will study about the formation of the image of convex lens. So you are seeing here, this is optical center O and this is the focus first F, this is 2F, this is F gas and this is 2F gas. So now when an object between F and 2F, then image form. So lens beyond 2F, larger than object and real and inverted. So real and inverted because it's formed so it can obtain on the screen. It can obtain on the screen. Now I will show you through experiment कि कैसे ये बनेगा. And now when an object at the focus at the 2F in the front of the convex lens, then image formed by the convex lens at 2F same size, and when the object beyond 2F, then image formed between F and 2F is smaller than object, real and inverted. And now when the object at infinity, then image formed at the focus and very small size, real and inverted. So before starting our experiment, first we will find out the rough focal length of the convex lens. So you know that how will you find out the rough focal length of convex lens? कैसे इसको हम लोग निकालेंगे? तो इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है कि we will go out side in the lab and we will trace the image very far away from the convex lens, and I have already shown the previous and some last videos. So you know that how will you find out the rough focal length of convex lens? Okay, and then after we will go to optical bench and we will find out the formation of the image with different position of the object. How कैसे? So let's go. So now this is the optical bench you are seeing that, and this is a convex lens you are seeing, and now I have a candle and this is an object, and we will trace out the image formed by the convex lens, and I have already formed and find out the rough focal length of the convex lens. And now I am telling again how will you find out the rough focal length of the convex lens. So I have one screen and I can open it. Okay. So this is a convex lens and this is a board, and you are seeing some pictures on it, and we will trace the you are seeing some pictures image formed by the convex lens here, and I measure the distance between the convex lens and image. So it is, I think 40 and 41, 42. So it is 12 centimeter. So I think 12 centimeter is the rough focal length of the convex lens. So now we were finding the focal length. So now I already put the convex lens at the 50 centimeter. Now, because the 12 centimeter is the rough focal length of the convex lens, so we can put the this object at the between 12 and 24. 12 to the 24. 12 is at f1, f, and 24 is 2f. So 24, the distance between 24, 5, 50 and 12. 50, 62 and 60. I am putting the more than 65. I am putting the 70 at the 70 or 70, 69, 68. I am putting the 68. Okay. So now सेंटर मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ, दिखाओ इसको. So you are seeing here that this is a candle is burning and उसको बंद कर दीजिए. Now इधर आना. इधर दिख रहा है ना. So image formed at clear or clear or no. So you are seeing that the candle is burning and a very sharp image formed by through the convex lens here, and now we will measure the distance between this is the object distance and this is the image distance. So I will tell you in the last video. सब दिख रहा है, पूरा 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 दिख रहा है. You are seeing that candle is burning and flame image formed through the convex lens on the screen, and we will measure the distance between this is the image distance and that is object distance. Okay, so if we change the distance between the object, so image form different. You are seeing here, I changed the position of the image, position of the object, then position of the image also changed, and again I changed the position of the object here. So you are seeing that different positions. So I will give you the readings of this object. Okay, and you can note it So this is the image formed by the convex lens. Different position at different position of convex lens form different image. So after end of the video, I will send you the all readings I have noted. And now let's go now in our book. And you are seeing the theory. You are seeing you will apply the mirror formula, lens formula 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, where v is the image distance and u is the object distance. Distance of the image from the optical center, and u is the distance of the object from the optical center, and it is a focal length. And you will apply the sign convention rule also here. And now I am showing the pictures also, the candles. This is your object needle and image formed beyond 2f. And those students, they have, if they have not book, I am showing you the object. So length of the knitted needle is 8 centimeter. Observed distance between the needle y is equal to 6 centimeter. You noted, and remaining you note avoid this point. So now I will tell you the all tables end of the video, and you will make the diagram and observations and results. So end of this video, I will tell you, I will show you, I will give you the peak of the readings, and you can note it here. But you will note it regularly the all practicals, because the practicals noted, and then after you will show your file. Okay students.